Alright, it's Tuesday morning and the eye of Dorian is 100 miles directly off the coast where we're at, and we feel sustained gusts picking up quite a bit, but as you can see, it's beautiful. I'm sure it's going to change real soon. Alright, so it looks like we're starting to get the first of many rain bands from this storm. That's a sign that the weather's just going to deteriorate as the day continues. And we're live from the workbench of death.
Holy shit. Man, it was raining. It's raining so hard outside.
Did you just see what we went through? Kind of ridiculous and all that stuff, but you know what? It's kind of overplayed a little bit. I'm not letting my guard down because we got a major hurricane 100 miles off the coast from us. If it wants to, it makes its own weather and it'll come over and take a big old dump on top of us.
It's blowing about 40 miles an hour out there right now, which is right what we were in. And right now, as we do this, outside of my garage, it's raining like a mother. So
my house is buttoned down. I've got literally the size of a foxhole to get in and out if I need to. But so I'm spending my time outside to bring this delightful video to you.
That's right. And I found out one thing. I found out that this is the most worthless rain poncho.
This is a piece of crap. Imagine going to your local grocery store and melting a bunch of grocery bags together into a poncho, and that's what you're wearing.
God, it's so hot. I can't. I'm sweating under it, and it's soaking wet, and the rain's coming through it. This is the worst rain poncho ever.
Hey, well, we're in the middle of the worst hurricane that's ever hit this part of the country.
I'll drink to that.
6:30 p.m. here in Central Florida. Hurricane Dorian just creeps off the coast here. And you never even know it. The sun is out and stuff like that. We've got some substantial gusts that are flying through here. While we wait on all the fun, what we do is drink some rum and cokes. Alright, well, this is getting a nice little band through here. It's weird the way things are going because it gets strong winds and no rain, but then we get rain with no wind. It's sustained right now about 35-mile-an-hour winds. It's howling through here, but it's dry as a bone and I can still see almost the sunset. I'll catch up to you soon. Crap, things just took a turn for the worse. We're getting sustained winds of about 40 miles an hour right now, and the wind is just whipping through here like freaking crazy. Rain, wind-driven rain. You see that tree up above me and stuff? That thing should almost be flattening out, and it's, wow. Yeah, it's flattening my jacket out. Catch up to you soon. It's crap out here. The wind's kind of just swirling in a lot of different directions. We're gonna get a break here pretty soon. We're just gonna this.
Timbo, do you read me? Over.
I think so. What's going on over there?
Man, I think the worst is yet to come. Be careful over there. Let's meet when the sun rises. Got it?
I don't know, you know, they said it jogged a little bit to the west and all that stuff. That's towards us and everything, so we'll see what happens.
Okay, well, if you need anything, let me know. I'm right across the street.
Man, that's really great to know, brother. That is awesome. I feel so much better.
What the hell are we doing?
3:45 a.m. Wednesday morning. I had to get up and get something to drink. Dorian's still off the coast. It's a real strange storm. It's moving very, very slowly. Expecting the worst. Didn't really have much of anything. We'll see what happens. I'll catch up in the morning.
Morning, Wednesday morning here, September 4th. Dorian chugged all night long, but I was able to actually get a few hours of sleep and stuff. He's moved its way up the coast like they predicted and stuff. We're still getting little bits of gusts and all that good stuff around here. I'm going to inspect the rest of the house to make sure we didn't get any kind of damage, and I'll be back with you.
Sacrificial sand has done its job in a lot of places, but in other areas, yeah, there's been some encroachment or erosion pretty significant off the beach.
Now, out of the 15,000 customers with Florida Power and Light in Brevard County, only 2,000 suffered power outages this morning. In fact,
that will not be terribly frequent, but still come together and slide through the viewing area. Those can produce gusty winds and brief periods of very heavy rain inland. We've already had a lot of rain. Flagler County interior, Volusia as well, right along I-4.
Okay, 12 noon, Wednesday, September 4th, 2019. This is my final report on Hurricane Dorian. It's since moved out of the area, is no longer a threat here in central Brevard County, Florida. No real reported power outage. Didn't get any water damage. My pool's fine. All my fence is still up. All in all, it was pretty uneventful of a storm. I do see some tree trucks coming into the area. But we all sat back and we watched what kind of stuff that storm did down to the Bahamas and stuff, and our hearts and prayers out to all those families and whatnot, and those that are in the line to get the storm next up in the Carolinas and Georgia and stuff. Be mindful, it's a big storm and anything can happen. So until next time, thanks so much hanging out and having fun with me. Until next time, I'll see you all on the very next adventure. Take care.